Hello guys, again, and today I have an amazing solo and bass line that you need to have to know that you can improve your playing. And without wasting time, I'll show you how to do it. I'll play it, then show you how to do it. Yeah. So beginning the F sharp first inversion, this is root chord first inversion. So then G sharp minor root, then do this walk, then the fifth, sorry. Then G sharp minor, then the walk. So simple. So simple. And the bass line, 5-1 kick, 5-4-2. 5-4-2-5-1. So for these lessons in full, in detail, at an affordable price. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, to like and to share. Thank you. See you in the next video.